Keeping your dog's nails trimmed is crucial for their well-being. Long nails can cause pain and discomfort, affecting how they walk and run. Overgrown nails can even curve inward, digging into their paw pads. This can lead to infections and serious health problems. Regular trims prevent these issues, ensuring your furry friend stays happy and healthy. Think of it like this. Would you want to walk around with long, uncomfortable toenails? Probably not. Your dog relies on you to keep their paws in tip-top shape. Regular nail trims are a simple but important part of responsible dog ownership. By keeping those nails trimmed, you're not just improving their physical health, but also their overall quality of life. A dog with well-maintained paws is a happy and active dog. So let's dive into how to make nail trims a positive experience for both you and your furry friend. Many dogs find nail trims stressful, and that's okay. It's important to understand their perspective. Dogs have sensitive paws, and the sensation of clippers can feel strange and uncomfortable. Past negative experiences, like accidentally cutting the pink part of the nail containing blood vessels and nerves, can create fear and anxiety. Imagine someone holding your hand and coming at you with a pair of scissors. You'd probably feel a bit nervous too. Dogs don't understand what's happening, so it's natural for them to react with fear or resistance. Some dogs are more sensitive to touch than others, making nail trims particularly challenging. Others may have had traumatic experiences at the vet or groomer, associating clippers with those negative memories. By recognizing the reasons behind their fear, we can approach nail trims with empathy and patience. Remember, it's not about dominating your dog or forcing them into submission. It's about building trust and creating a positive association with nail trims. With the right approach and a little understanding, we can help our furry friends overcome their fear and make nail trims a breeze. Creating a calm and relaxed environment is essential for stress-free nail trims. Before you even touch the clippers, spend time helping your dog relax. Choose a quiet room with minimal distractions. Dim the lights and play some soothing music. Gentle massage can work wonders in calming your dog's nerves. Start by stroking their back, gradually moving to their legs and paws. Talk to them in a soft, reassuring voice. The key is to create a spa-like experience where they feel safe and comfortable. Consider using calming aids like pheromone sprays or diffusers. These products release natural chemicals that mimic a mother dog's scent, promoting feelings of security and relaxation. You can also try a lick mat smeared with peanut butter or yogurt to keep your dog distracted and happy during the trim. Remember, patience is key. If your dog shows signs of stress, take a break and try again later. The goal is to make nail trims a positive experience, not a battle of wills. Selecting the right nail clippers is crucial for a safe and comfortable trim. There are two main types: guillotine clippers and scissor clippers. Guillotine clippers have a small hole where you insert the nail and a blade that slides down to cut it. Scissor clippers resemble regular scissors and are better for thicker nails. Choose clippers that are the right size for your dog's nails. Using clippers that are too small can crush the nail, causing pain and discomfort. For small dogs or puppies, use clippers designed for their delicate nails. Always check the sharpness of the blades before each use. Dull blades can crush the nail instead of cutting cleanly, leading to pain and splitting. You can purchase a sharpening tool specifically designed for pet nail clippers. Remember, investing in high-quality clippers is an investment in your dog's well-being. Sharp, sturdy clippers will make the trimming process smoother and less stressful for both of you. Gradual steps, giant leaps. Introducing clippers positively is key to overcoming your dog's fear. Start by simply letting them sniff the clippers without making any contact. Reward them with treats and praise for their bravery. Next, touch the clippers to their paws gently, again rewarding them with treats and praise. Gradually increase the duration of contact, always associating the clippers with positive reinforcement. Once your dog is comfortable with the clippers, you can start trimming one nail at a time. Don't rush the process. Take breaks and offer plenty of treats and praise throughout. Remember, the goal is to create a positive association with the clippers. By taking it slow and rewarding every step, you'll build trust and help your dog feel safe during nail trims. Section 6. Practice makes perfect. Mastering the art of the trim. Now that your dog is comfortable with the clippers, it's time to master the art of the trim. Hold the paw firmly but gently, avoiding squeezing too hard. Identify the pink part of the nail containing blood vessels and nerves. Cut the nail at a 45-degree angle, just below the quick. Cutting too close to the quick can cause pain and bleeding. If you're unsure, err on the side of caution and trim less rather than more. If your dog has dark nails, it can be difficult to see the quick. Trim small slivers of the nail at a time, checking for a small dark circle in the center of the cut surface. This indicates you're getting close to the quick. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you trim your dog's nails, the more confident and comfortable you'll become. Don't be afraid to ask a veterinarian or groomer for guidance if needed. Section 7. Oops, I cut too short. Handling nail bleeding accidents happen, and sometimes you might accidentally cut the quick, causing bleeding. Don't panic. Stay calm and reassure your dog. Having styptic powder on hand is crucial for these situations. Styptic powder helps to stop bleeding quickly. Press a small amount of powder onto the bleeding nail, applying gentle pressure for a few seconds. You can also use a clean cloth or paper towel to apply pressure if you don't have styptic powder. If the bleeding doesn't stop within a few minutes, or if you notice any signs of infection, contact your veterinarian immediately. It's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to your dog's health. Remember, even experienced groomers can accidentally cut the quick. Don't beat yourself up if it happens. The important thing is to be prepared and know how to handle the situation calmly and effectively. Section 8. Professional help. When to call in the experts. While many dog owners can successfully trim their dog's nails at home, there are times when seeking professional help is the best course of action. If your dog has a history of severe anxiety or aggression during nail trims, a professional groomer or veterinarian can provide a safe and stress-free experience. Professionals have the experience and expertise to handle even the most challenging dogs. They also have specialized tools and techniques that can make the process quicker and more efficient. Additionally, if your dog has any underlying medical conditions that affect their nails, such as infections or deformities, it's crucial to seek veterinary care. A veterinarian can address these issues and provide appropriate treatment. Remember, there's no shame in seeking professional help. Your dog's well-being is the top priority, and sometimes that means calling in the experts. Section 9. Patience pays off. Building trust and confidence. Mastering the art of stress-free nail trims takes time, patience, and a whole lot of love. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Focus on building trust and creating a positive association with nail trims. With each successful session, your dog's confidence will grow, and the process will become easier for both of you. Never underestimate the power of positive reinforcement. Treats, praise, and affection go a long way in making nail trims a happy experience for your furry friend. Remember, you are your dog's advocate and protector. By approaching nail trims with patience, understanding, and a whole lot of love, you can help them overcome their fear and live their best, healthiest lives.